Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on your Sub-Zero DET, DEC, or CL series refrigerator. It's a very straightforward process, so stick around. The location of the filter might not be exactly the same in your refrigerator at home, but the process is going to be the same regardless of which model you have. So first thing you're going to do is obviously open the refrigerator door. Then you're going to look for this panel here that says air purifier on it. And this is just going to slide over to the side. And then you'll see the air purifier housing back here, and you'll see up at the top it says pull. So you just put your finger through the top notch here, and pull down, and that's going to pop the air filter free. And you'll be able to lift that out of there and slide it forward. Now on the air purifier, you're going to see a couple of contacts here along with a little peg that's going to sit down into place. So when you go to replace it, you're just going to take your new one and you're going to do the same process in reverse. You just kind of drop the purifier filter in there. It's just going to kind of sit down in place, and then you're going to lift that flap back up, push it till it locks, and then slide that panel back over. And that's all there is to it. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.